In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a base in Airtable, Workspace Management 2026. Before we start, a quick note. Deleting a base removes all of its tables, views, and records. Make sure it's truly the one you want to remove. If you need a backup for reference, consider exporting your key tables first or confirming with your team. With that in mind, let's get into it. Open your browser and go to airtable.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. You can use your email and password or a single sign-on option if your organization has it set up. That's all you need to do here. Just get into the right account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Airtable home or dashboard. This is where you can see your workspaces and a list of bases you've accessed recently. The recent section is especially handy because it surfaces the items you've worked on most frequently. Find the base you want to delete from your recent list or from the workspace where it lives. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct base by checking the name and, if needed, the icon or color that helps you identify it. When you're sure, click to open that base. Inside the base, look toward the top of the screen for the base title. Click the title to open its menu. This expands a set of options related to the base, so you can manage it without leaving the current view. Next, locate the three-dot menu near the title. Clicking this reveals additional actions that aren't immediately visible. This is where Airtable places advanced options for managing the base. Choose Delete Base from the menu. Airtable will display a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete it. This extra step is there to prevent accidental removals. So take a second to double check that you're in the right base. If you're certain, click Delete to confirm. Airtable will proceed with the deletion. Depending on your plan and workspace settings, the base may be moved to a trash area for a limited time before it's permanently removed, or it may be removed immediately. Either way, the base will no longer appear in your recent list or your workspace once the deletion completes. That's it. You went to airtable.com, signed in, opened the correct base, accessed the options from the title and three-dot menu, selected Delete Base and confirmed the action. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have the necessary permissions in that workspace, so check with an admin. Thanks for watching, and proceed carefully when managing your workspace.